Alrighty, g'day and welcome back to Aussie Built Rides. So we had our meet yesterday, Saturday night, and that was pretty alright. We had a bit of fun, more fun on the TRF50. But anyways, today we're going out for a bit of a ride. We got James in front of us. He's on my missus's bike with his learners on, so I'm watching him, and he's going to be getting a bike and playing with us soon. And then behind us there we got Tommy, and then there's a car behind him that's got my missus in it taking photos and whatnot. Hopefully we get some and we can put it in here. So I got a different setup. I got my mate's GoPro here, which you can see looking up at me. Hello. No, I did have it on me last meet with the Husky, but you probably tell by that, probably what one clip I might have put in there, that it didn't go very well. Trying again. I've actually got it mounted onto my tank here, and hopefully that works well. I get some good angles. So as far as I know now, we're heading out to Kenilworth, and there's some roads out there that we're going to go ride and have a bit of fun on. I don't actually know where we're going, so I don't know the roads. I haven't been out there before. I usually just go Kin. He knows the area. Tom goes down there all the time, and I know jack shit. I'm here that day getting one of the last rides on my bike. My baby, I bought it brand new, and at the end of this week I'm going to be getting it ready to sell it, so I can upgrade my bike and get a new license and ride one of the big boy bikes. So I made a bit of a boo-boo. I turned the cameras off. I thought, you know, I'd save power until the fun actually starts, but it started already. Me and Tommy just vlogged it at 180 for the good little while. I don't know how long, and obviously at that speed I don't want to organise turning me fucking GoPros back on. But I've slowed right down again now, waiting for James to catch up, the guy I'm meant to be managing, because he's on his learners, which looks like that's him in the background there. Now the reason we've come out this way rather than going to Kin is because we've had a good bit of rain over the past couple of days, and with the driveways that are all the way out to Kin, they're all gravel and downhill, so the water will actually wash the gravel down onto the road, and then it screws up the road a bit, so we've got to wait for it to clear off. Oh yippee, let's go fruity. Putt all up the hill. Nice view though. Real nice. Oh, this would be fucking awesome just going. I want to stop there. That looks cool as. Oh, come on. This is such a good road. And we're heading right towards the thundercloud. I don't like it. I do not like it. I can see the road! Let's not go too far that way, please. It's this spot! Woo! It's so pretty. So pretty. I'm going to turn you off, save some battery while we do all this, so I will catch you soon. Alrighty, so we've had a bit of fun, took some photos. I thought they were pretty alright. Got that fucking butterfly off me fucking thing. Oh yeah, I took my jacket off. It's fucking hot, man. It's crazy hot. I put some sunscreen on though. Easter won't get no melanoma. Now to try and catch Tommy. On these roads I got no fucking clue. Oh, we're heading right under it. I don't like the looks of this. I'm gonna get very moist and very cold. Oh my god. Yep, there it is. Fuck, it's cold! Holy shit! Oh, that's cold. Oh my god. Oh god. Holy shit. He's gonna be laughing at me. Alrighty. Oh no, that seems to be working out. Cool, cool. So apparently I ran out of space on my GoPro. So you didn't see the fact that we had to ride up a mountain range, real twisty roads through torrential fucking downpour, which was sketchy and scary and cold and wet and horrible as fuck. So you just missed out on that part. I've just pulled over and I just found out where it died, so yeah, we got up to the top of the hill and then we decided to go stop at the pub. So we're still there, had a good couple of jugs, and now we're just drying out on the road. And we hit the highway, we're going to head back a bit and we're going to go through a couple other nice and twisty bits that are nice and fun to ride through and that other sort of stuff. I'm coming for you, Tommy. Ah! I'm coming, boy. Oh no, is this the fastest it'll go? That's rude. That was rude. Hey Tommy, touch me. Oh, that didn't go very well. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, the fun part. Here it is. Oh yes. Nice.
Fuck yeah.
That was good. I need another pesto now.
No?
I need another pesto now. Fucking hell, after those jugs I turned into a fucking fountain. I hope you liked the video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and if you do enjoy what we do here and have fun watching this, send it to your mates, share it around, get them watching it, get everyone watching it, send it to your mum, your grandma, your auntie, your cat, get people watching it. It's hella fun, and I want to try and get more people out here riding in the motorbike community, because it is dying out. It's not that big of a thing anymore, because it's hard to get into, and everyone just says, no, it's dangerous, you can't do it. But yes, it is, but it's fucking fun, man. Yeah, show it around, try and help convince people to start getting out here and doing this stuff and having fun and all those sort of things. See yous for now. I'll catch us in the next video. There's going to be some shed videos coming up again, working on the Husky, and I will catch you then. I'm out.